Welcome to our guide on customizing your LG Smart TV home screen. Make it uniquely yours. Let's start by accessing the home screen settings. Grab your remote and press the settings button. Now, we'll rearrange the apps. Select an app and simply drag it to your desired location. To remove unwanted apps, highlight the app and choose Remove from the options. Adding new apps is easy. Open the LG Content Store to find and install new apps. For better organization, create app folders by selecting multiple apps and grouping them. Personalize your TV by changing the wallpaper to something that reflects your style. You can customize quick access settings for your favorite apps, making them easier to find. Take advantage of LG's AI recommendations to discover new content based on your viewing habits. And there you have it. With these tips, your LG Smart TV home screen is now uniquely yours. Enjoy your viewing experience.